there. Oh, excuse me. Right there. Ready?
I really need you, Kiki, my Kiki, the Ata. Ngaro, ana kumea. New house we haven't unpacked. Marco emotions, they be running off track.
Kia ora, Ma. Who are you? Where do you come from?
Kia ora, ko mā te ingoa. Heuri tēnei no Ngāti Raukawa, Ngāti Porou, Tūhoi, Ngāti Kahungunu hoki.
Kahununu. That's interesting. Would you call yourself quite a big lover?
Thank you.
Ma, how many serious relationships have you had?
4. Why is that?
What happened? Why did you break up? Ma, would you call yourself a loyal partner?
Are we going to talk about the WAIATA?
Oh, yes, of course.
Yeah, so this WAIATA was produced by Chris Willie, ko Tawaroa Kawana te Mātanga Reo, and it was a WAIATA that we wrote at the Reo Māori Song Hubs in Pōneke a few years ago.
Awesome. Look, I've heard of it. You know, it reminds me of a song that I used to sing when I was a bit younger.
What was that one?
I can't remember, but.
Yeah.
But do you use toys often?
Rā, hea te tikanga o enei pātai? He maumau wā.
E aha tēnā.
Te ahi.
Eh?
I'm a fire sign. Big energy, assertive, nui te aroha, rori e tahi wā.
Okay, darling. But would you call yourself sexual?
Ai, pāreka kia hau.
Oh! Mura, piki whara totai aha, mura. Oh my gosh! That WAIATA, it reminds me of your song.
What a tune.
What a tune.
Are we going to talk about the WAIATA?
Oh, look, absolutely, of course.
Hea tēnei.
E aua. So, Ma, have you ever been heartbroken?
Well, I've had a few moments where, you know.
Boys, girls, non-binary.
Te katoa, ko te mea ke, he nui taku aroha ki tētahi e ngā kaunui ana kia hau, o tira ki taku whānau hoki, ko te mea nui kia pūmau te piri, kia pononga kōrero, e ita ai te hononga.
Ooh, you have been a busy little bee, haven't you?
Yes, I've had my fair share of... I'm really confused right now, but I'm kind of loving it. Did you organise this?
Are you currently in a relationship? Oh, they are gonna love that. Very mysterious. Look, tell me about this little short song thing of yours.
It's a song.
About what?
It's a song about when you're having a hard conversation with the love of your life and you just end up
Yeah, I'm back to square one, dappled in the square roots. Had some flings on the side, but I settled my rules. Fuck, token tia te riu e hawe neana. E hawe keana, now I got me some cover. Pretty picky, no more than pretty Ricky. Playing juicy when I hit the scene. Tasty homies with the clean.